Quick shout out to Famous Goal Horns, who is the person we're using the videos from to get the goal horns. If you guys enjoy goal horns, well, go check out Famous Goal Horns because he's got an entire channel for it. Anyway, enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see more. Alright, now we can actually get into the video. Hello everybody, I'm Lord Skrulk, and today, guys, I'm going to be with my sister. And we have 2 new subscribers, so I'd like to shout them out. Lily Payne and Red Wings 11. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the community. Hope you guys enjoy my videos. So, in respect of specifically Red Wings 11, I wanted to do a goal horns quiz because I should know every single goal horn. Every single time a touchdown is scored, a goal scored, no matter what happens, something good happens on my channel, I play a goal horn from the NHL. So I should know every single one. And so my sister right here is going to check them off. She's going to play them, and I'm going to try to guess them. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. This is easy. Alright, hit pause. Washington Capitals. So, Dallas Stars. Ooh. Florida Panthers.
Yes.
You can say so. Oh, this is a hard one. Hold on. Crap. It's gotta be the jump song, right? Hold on. Yeah, Buffalo Sabres. New York Rangers. Boston Bruins. Oh crap, I know what this one is, but oh, New York Islanders. Philadelphia Flyers. Yeah, my boy Red Wings 11, there's your horn. Red Wings.
You blew it!
Here's a hard one. Ottawa Senators. Okay. Pittsburgh Penguins. I hate this one because I hate this team. Sorry, this here. Columbus Blue Jackets. Yeah, Chicago Blackhawks. Edmonton Oilers. Ooh. Oh, okay, that makes it easy. St. Louis Blues. Predators, because that other one was Sabres. This is Predators. Minnesota Wild. Used this for our Houston Texans franchise back in, I think October is when we started it. That's for Montreal Canadiens. That means I got the Red Wings one wrong! Oh no, okay. Alright, when we get to... That's Red Wings, but like, when we get to...
I mean, they're pretty similar.
Can you hear it?
I can hear a little bit of it.
Oh. Calgary Flames. I love this one. This is like one of my favorites. Okay, when you hear the lightning, it's definitely the lightning. There's a lot of these ones. Toronto Maple Leafs. Oh, Dominic likes this one. Colorado Avalanche. Vegas has the music. This is awful. Hurricanes. Carolina, woo, woo. It's the song, and this is Vegas. the fart horn, Anaheim Ducks. Oh. Oh, Coyotes. Oh, that. Winnipeg Jets. Continue it though, so they can. LA Kings. It's out there. It's like top 5. San Jose Sharks. This is our if our Dolphins franchise continues, guys. This is the horn we're using for the touchdowns from now on. I just played as this team on NHL 20. I believe this is the Vancouver Canucks, but I gotta hear the song. Yeah, Canucks.
Do you want to go back to the one you missed and try?
That's the rest of them. Okay, pause it. All right, because I know I missed. You said I just missed one because I knew I did it the second I heard the Detroit one. I was like, I feel like an idiot.
Do you want to listen to it again? Because I think you'll get it.
Yeah. Okay, listen to it again. Yes. I technically got one wrong. But... Oh my, pause it. This is like really hard because I know what this is, but it's
on the tip of your tongue.
Yeah, and I've forgotten the other, whatever team it is, I've forgotten about it. Okay, so we gotta go through the division. What is it? What's the color of there?
Red.
Yeah, I knew it was red. I'm an idiot.
Do another hint?
Sure.
Yellow license plates. What place is yellow license plates?
I don't know that.
Known for being very bad drivers.
Oh my god! Oh, I knew I forgot about this team because they're so forgettable in real life. Not Detroit. The Devils. I hate you. God, you nearly lost me this quiz on 100. Oh my god, I remember that because I played it for Baltimore's touchdowns all the time.
You can tell where I got lazy.
Yeah, you just put dots, and then what'd you put for the red? You just circled it.
Yeah, because you got it wrong. I put a question mark by it because I figured you'd go back and realize.
Yeah. All right, so that's gonna be all for this video, guys. If you guys want to know my opinions about what I think these goal horns should be ranked from 31 to 1, go check out my Pen Fanatics Productions channel. The video is going to be right up above my head here. And if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, obviously, go click this thing that's going to be right on my sister's face right here. And yeah, enjoy the rest of my channel if you're new to it. We've had a lot of new ones today. I don't know what it is about today. I guess I'm just the lucky person. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video. Bye!